So far we've typed out each command individually and hit enter to run each one. However, we can write multiple commands in one line by using the semicolon character in place of the enter key. This is one way to start pulling commands together into a script. You might be wondering if we can just open and edit a text file like you normally would in the visual interface. And yes, we can. So let me introduce you to the Vim text editor. There are many text editors available, but this is the one I use. To use it, we type Vim followed by the file name we want to edit, or create if it doesn't exist. There are two modes, command mode and insert mode. When you open Vim, you're in command mode. Don't worry about that for now. To enter insert mode, where we can type and edit text, hit the I key. Now I can move around the text file with my arrow keys and edit away as I usually would in any text editor. When I'm finished, I press escape to return to the command mode. Then to exit, I type :W Q. W means write and Q means quit. To quit without saving, use :Q with an exclamation mark to override that warning prompt about unsaved work. We can use a text editor in this way to write out commands and make a script. Let's start a new file called script.sh. The .sh means shell script and is completely unnecessary, but it's common practice to label scripts like this. Vim can use this extension to recognize which programming language you're writing in, and then changes text color to help us out. This is called syntax highlighting, with syntax just meaning the rules of how a programming language is structured. You can see some examples on the screen. So let's hit I to enter insert mode and type out a few commands. In Bash, we can use the hash symbol to make a comment. Everything on a line after the hash sign will be completely ignored by the computer. This is a good way to make notes in your code, to explain to other users what your code does, or even to quickly disable lines of code from running while prototyping, for example. Remember to press escape to return to command mode before typing :WQ to save and exit. It's a common joke that people get trapped in Vim and can't exit, but it's really quite logical when you understand what's going on here. To run this script, we just use :/script. A quick side note, if you're using a Mac, it might try to block you from running these scripts. I won't explain this command yet, but you can give yourself executable permissions by writing chmod +x script name, and then you can run it with the :/script name. In the next session, I'm going to explain what this :/ means.